Hey guys, Summer here. Welcome back to the GXunited at Greensboro Downtown Yoga channel. If you're new to the channel, take a moment, hit that subscribe button below. We welcome you here for this lovely outdoor nature flow today. We're going to explore chest expansion and find ways to be grateful for all those little things in life. So grab your mat, maybe a dog leash or some type of strap that you can use, and let's flow. But shut your eyes and find your tall body position. As we stay here for a few moments, observe the sounds around you. Are you in a house that's totally quiet? Are you outside and you hear the sounds around you? Embrace the stillness or embrace the sounds. Allow them to be part of your practice today, whether they're loud and distracting or quiet and still. Sometimes sounds can be disruptive or calming. And finding ways to embrace those elements is how we can embrace the small moments of life. Take a big deep inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, let your arms drop down. And again, big deep inhale, lift your arms up. Just a few times, lift your arms up and float them down. Keep your arms high. Take your right arm over to the ground while your left arm reaches overhead. Press your hand into the ground as your sit bones press into the floor. Come back, center, inhale, over to the other side, lengthen and reach. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, take and wrap around your body. Look over your back shoulder. Come back to center. You know, this is such a lovely little flow that you can do first thing in the morning, or maybe right before you go to bed at night. Just open up your side bodies. Come back to center. Big deep inhale, we're gonna add into it. Exhale, your hands come to your legs and you look into your belly. And then arch, look to the sky. It's like a seated cat and cow. So you round in and you arch, look up. Just do it one more time. Feel the movement in your spine and in your chest. Come up to center. Big deep inhale. Up. Reach over to the side. One breath brings you back up and you shift to the other side. Keep both sits bones on the floor. Inhale, rise. Exhale, rotate around. Inhale, lift. Finding these small moments, these ways to move our body is so much gratitude for it. Round in, look into your lovely little cat. And arch, look up to the sky. Sit in neutral. tip your ear over to the side. Bring your left hand to the floor and just gently press your ear down to the side. Feel this lovely stretch down the side of your neck, which I think we oftentimes forget how important it is to stretch our neck. Switch up. It's a person who recovered from a pretty major neck injury back in the end of last year. It's been really important for me to remember to stretch the neck. So I share that memory with you guys. Take your hands to the back of your neck. Press open. Feel that expansion across your chest. Then tuck your chin in. Your elbows come in. Feel that lovely rounding. Inhale, open and expand. Feel as if someone was to press on this part of your arm and just pull your arms back just a little bit. Inhale, round. Do that one more time. As you're here, think about what is it that today you are sharing gratitude with. Hold. Release your hands. Bring your feet onto the ground into a all fours position. Hands under your shoulders. Round in. Look into your belly. Arch. Look up to the sky. So we did that seated cat-cow. Now let's just move through a moment of a kneeling cat-cow. Find a neutral spine and look over to one hip. Come back to center and just find, maybe you get this kind of organic movement. It doesn't have to look a certain way. I just want you to feel movement into your side body. Just like that side stretch we were just doing. Let's do one more. Come back to center. Walk your hands forward and then just slowly start to walk your feet to meet your hands. Forward fold, hang over your legs. I'm going to turn just so you can see this from a front angle. Nothing major. You're just going to gently sway from side to side. Come to center, bend your knees and roll up one vertebrae at a time until we are standing tall. Take a moment right here. Feel your feet into the ground. Appreciate all that's under you. Shut your eyes. So often when we're standing, we're moving or we're in the hustle and bustle of life. And we forget to take a moment to notice, what do our feet feel like under us? Big deep inhale, lengthen your arms overhead. Exhale as you stretch over to the side, just like we did on the ground, but now you get even more expansion, yes? Rise up, lift your arms high. Bring your hands together behind your back. I'm turning so you can see it. Press your hands down and look up to the sky. As you do that, your hips push forward. Big deep inhale, lift up. Hands come back to heart center. Bring your arms up. Now take your right hand to the top, your left hand below, and reach for your fingers behind your back. Stay here for a moment with your eyes shut. Open your chest. Big deep inhale. We're going to bring that into a flow in a moment. And I want you to find this place where you can comfortably reach fingers to fingers. Maybe your fingers aren't touching, and that's perfectly okay. An option right here would be to grab that lovely strap or dog leash you have and hold right there. There's nothing wrong with that. Release your arms. If you had a strap, go ahead and put it down. Okay, we're gonna take our feet wide. Big deep inhale, lift your arms overhead. Exhale down. We're getting a little bit of movement now. Reach up, look to the sky, and then look down. I want you to feel this flow where we look up and down. So your eyes and your head are following your arms. One more. Stay low. Your hands come to your legs. Let's rotate, look over one shoulder. Come center. Look over the other shoulder. You're getting this really lovely spinal rotation now. As we start to get a little bit of dynamic movement into our stretches, just allow your body to engage and feel this in a way that's like, Come to center. You're gonna bring both arms on. And this is one of the few times I'm actually gonna say, bring your shoulders to your ears. See how I'm hunched in like that? Then take a big deep inhale. Exhale as you grow out long. Did you feel that difference? I know, it's lovely. You're gonna get a little shift from side to side. Stay center. Big deep inhale, lift up, inhale. Exhale, your elbows are gonna go wide. Arch your back, look to the sky. Oh, there's a beautiful airplane above me. Inhale, rise. You're gonna round, look into your belly. And we're gonna make this kind of swimming motion. So it's a look up, arch, round, and then swim your arms around. So 2 more times. All I want is movement in your shoulders and in your spine. If it looks different than me, awesome. Allow yourself this chance to just move. Now keep arms high. Reach over to your right side. Lean into a extended side angle. So front knee is reaching over either the midfoot or somewhere. Back foot is parallel to the edge of your mat. Notice how I'm on my arm right here, but I'm not like leaning into it for dear life. You want to think lift. Look under your top arm. Come center, inhale. Reach over to the other side. Lovely little side body movement. Maybe you shut your eyes right here for a moment as you think, spiral your chest. Inhale, come center. Exhale, arch your spine, look up. Round in as you inhale. Circle your arms around, flow over into extended side angle. One breath right here, inhale. Exhale, reach up tall. Inhale, slide to the other side. I want you to think of this flowing movement between poses. Just glide through it. Inhale, let's sink into it. Let's do that one more time. Round your spine. Circle your arms. Lift. Come over. Make sure to turn that back foot. Open your chest. Inhale. 5-pointed star, reaches those hands, and then exhale as we just gently reach to the side. Inhale, come back up. Let's add on to this. Bring your hands together behind your back. Interlace your hands, and your feet are going to be kind of parallel to each other or maybe slightly turned out. Press your hands down your back. Forward fold over as you start to reach your hands to the ground in front of you. Now, are they gonna come anywhere close? Probably not, unless you are like a contortionist, and that's okay. I more want you to think, press your shoulder blades together and extend your arms so that you feel that lovely stretch across the front of your body. Bring your hands to the small of your lower back. Bend your knees and roll up one vertebrae at a time. Lift your arms up. Now you're going to bring your right arm under, your left arm on top. These are called eagle arms. And eagle arms are this wrapping. You might not find that your hands want to touch, and that's okay. We're going to sit down into this low crescent position. And then reach your arms up so your elbows are towards your head. And start to arch and look back for just a moment. Inhale. And then exhale, you're going to round in. So you're pulling your elbows to your belly. Inhale, arch, look back. Exhale. Let's do that with a little movement in our legs. So as we come up, legs extend. Exhale, let's round in. One more time, lift. Inhale as you come up, release your hands. Big circle, arch your spine. Lift up, circle in. Reach around, come over to the right. Inhale. Each time we do this, it's about finding the side body stretch. Really focused on the side body, not the legs as much. I mean, the legs feel lovely, but that's not our goal right now. So think about opening through your chest. Inhale, center. Exhale, hands come together behind your back. Forward fold over. Stay for 2 breaths. Maybe you bend your knees. Bring your hands to the small of your lower back. Roll yourself up. One vertebrae at a time. Big, deep inhale up. And let's bring your left arm underneath. Sit low into your eagle arms and wide goddess legs. Lift your arms. And round in. This is one of those moments where I feel like we're very tucked into ourselves. Lift up. So it's such a great opportunity for you to go inside and say, what is it that I'm here for today? Why am I in this practice? What little thing of gratitude can I share? Let's add our legs. As you stand, extend your legs. Bend down. Lift up. Oh, it's so lovely, right? You feel that lovely expansion in your chest and your arms. Maybe it's a very tight and uncomfortable feeling, and that I would not be surprised by at all. Let's come in, especially if you have tight shoulders from sitting all day. Let's reach up, big deep inhale. Hands to heart center. So beautiful. Thank you so much for experiencing this nature flow with me today. If you want to check out the full flow, make sure to head over to GXunited.tv and experience the full class, or know that there are other short little classes here available for you on YouTube. So hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know anytime we add new content. Thanks, guys. Bye.